create a new design in Tinkercad. First, so let's save it. Click the name on the left corner on the top. So I'm going to save it pumpkin. Go to the basic shapes on the right side, and I'm going to pick the scribble today. Click scribble, then drop on the work plane. So you will see a new window. I'm going to use a pen to draw the pumpkin. Okay. So I'm going to add the stem. So I'm going to fill the middle. I'm going to draw the eyes and the teeth later. Okay, then click eraser. I'm going to draw the 2 triangles here. And I'm going to do the teeth over here. Okay, since I'm going to make the earring, I'm going to get a hole on the top on the stem. Okay, I think that's it. So I'm going to click the down button on the right corner. So it will bring us back to the work plane. So you will see the pumpkin now. We can use red, actually the white square in the middle. Click it, you can adjust the height. So if you want to check the size, you can use a ruler on the top, on the right top, and then click a ruler and put on the design. So you will see a size. Actually, when you see my size, it's you can change the zoom using the plus and the minus here. So I'm gonna make it smaller. So you see my size. So it's 27 millimeter about, and the width will be 22 millimeters, and the height will be 3 millimeters. So don't need to worry about the size now. So I'm gonna show you how to save it. I'm going to using the export and click save STL file. And now you can see I saved the pumpkin.stl file. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to estimate the material and also the time for printing this design. So I'm going to click it and go to scale. So you will see the size. I will not make any change now. So if it's too small or too big, I can adjust it later. So I go ahead to click build and then okay. So save the file. Okay. So it's starting generating it. So it only takes 4 minutes to print this one. And so I'm going to use the 2 jump rings for each side. Okay, so I'm going to open the jump ring. I'm going to add another jump ring. Okay, that's done.